In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the OBS black screen display capture. Now, I don't have this problem, but I found a couple videos on YouTube that worked for a lot of people to fix this. I'm not fully sure, but I think this is a problem that only or mostly occurs on laptops. But yeah, basically when this is fully black and you use the display capture right there, then you have this problem, of course. And to fix it, you want to click on or right click on the start and then go to settings. Now this will open up right there, and you want to click on the system settings, and your display settings will immediately appear. And you just want to scroll a bit down and go to the graphics settings right there. Now right here, you want to browse for OBS Studio. So if you click on browse and then go to local disk, program files, then we have to find OBS Studio right there, and click on bin 64-bit, and then right there it should be there. So click on add, and now that we have added OBS Studio, we want to click on options and make sure the power saving is selected, and then click on save. And then if you go back to OBS Studio, it should be fixed. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.